Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're getting a publishing error in Buffer and your scheduled posts are failing to publish, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer publishing errors in 2026 using a Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solution step by step. First, log into your Buffer account and open the channel where the publishing error occurred. Click on the failed post to see the error message. Reading the message carefully will often tell you what's causing the problem. Next, make sure your social media account is still connected to Buffer. Sometimes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, or other platforms disconnect after a password change or security update. If needed, reconnect the account by following the on-screen instructions. Now check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the publishing process. Refresh the page after confirming your connection is stable. If you're uploading images or videos, verify that the file format and size are supported. Large files or unsupported formats may prevent Buffer from publishing your content successfully. You should also review your post content. Some social media platforms have character limits or restrictions on hashtags, mentions, links, or media attachments. Edit the post if necessary and try publishing again. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser. Corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with Buffer's publishing tools. If the problem continues, try using a different browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. This can help determine whether the issue is browser-related. Also, make sure your browser is fully updated. Older browser versions may not work correctly with the latest Buffer features. If you're publishing to multiple social media accounts at the same time, try publishing to one account first. This can help identify whether the issue is affecting only one connected platform. Another important step is checking whether the social media platform itself is experiencing temporary issues.